Welcome back to Savvy English. In this lesson, we're learning 5 everyday expressions that will help you sound fluent and confident when you speak English. When you stick to something, you keep doing it without giving up or changing your plan. For example, you should stick to your goals if you want to succeed. Let's stick to the topic and not get distracted. In a row means things happen repeatedly or continuously, one after another. For example, she won 3 games in a row. It rained 5 days in a row last week. When someone says hit the books, it means it's time to study hard, not literally hitting books. For example, I can't go out tonight. I need to hit the books for my exam. After the break, students hit the books again. If something can be traced back to an earlier time, it means it started or originated there. For example, this tradition can be traced back to ancient times. The problem can be traced back to a small mistake in the system. To beef up means to make something stronger or better, not just about food. For example, the company decided to beef up its security system. He's been going to the gym to beef up his muscles. Let's review. Stick to, continue without giving up. In a row, happening one after another. Hit the books, study hard. Be traced back to, started in the past. Beef up, strengthen, or improve. Now it's your turn. Make one example sentence for each phrase and say them out loud. That's the best way to remember them.